song about the Rosetta Clone. He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own. Rockstar wherever he roams, with the face of the Rosetta Stone, singing I can be whoever I wanna be. If you believe, then sing it back to me, and I can fix whatever I wanna fix. It's easy to switch, my powers are infinite. Hey, there's a new guy in town, that is till word gets round. He's a chip off the old block, sold out shows whenever he's inbound. Said if you don't know his name, I bet you know his songs. As soon as I sing them once, you too will sing along. Imagine there's no hieroglyphics.
Imagine.
I'll bet you couldn't if you tried.
I bet you couldn't.
When you read like me, sky's the limit.
Give it a try.
Because Demotic and Greek is the reason why.
Me.
Have you ever heard the song?
Yes, you have.
About the Rosetta Clone.
That's me.
He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own.
That's right.
Rockstar wherever he roams,
That's right.
with the face of the Rosetta Stone,
Sing along.
singing I can be whoever I wanna be.
Whoever I want to be.
If you believe, then sing it back to me.
Okay.
I can solve whatever I want to solve.
Whatever I want to solve.
I can take my time.
Be patient.
I can give my all.
My all. No, he's never won any awards, but he's number one and adored. Hard like granite on the inside. Some fly high, but he just slides. A true underground story, filled with the guts and the glory. Emotional songs you can feel to. Food for the broken-hearted to heal to.
One is the loneliest number you'll ever view. I may look like another stone, but this pebble's just for you. CLONNE.
Yeah.
Find out what it means to me. The world's greatest impersonator is him and him is me. You're welcome. Have you ever heard the song?
Yes, you have.
About the Rosetta Clone.
That's me.
He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own.
That's right.
Rockstar wherever he roams,
That's right.
with the face of the Rosetta Stone,
Sing along.
singing I can be whoever I wanna be.
Whoever I want to be.
If you believe, then sing it back to me.
Okay.
I can know whatever I want to know.
Whatever I want to know.
I'm powerful,
So powerful.
I know just how to grow.
Here I come.
Have you ever heard the song?
Yes, you have.
About the Rosetta Clone.
Hey, that's me.
He started as a Rolling Stone, broke up and went out on his own.
Sure did.
Rockstar wherever he roams,
That's right.
with the face of the Rosetta Stone,
Sing along.
singing I can be whoever I wanna be.
Whoever I want to be.
If you believe, then sing it back to me.
Sing it back to me now.
I can do
I can do
whatever I